This is 2013 Honda Civic Si. How to replace the radiator, right? This is simple. The easiest way for you to do is take out the cover right here. You have a couple of this clip right here. Okay, take those clip out and take out the radiator support, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 bolt on this side. Okay, another 4. So you're taking out the radiator holder bolt, which is holding right here. Taking that out. Sorry, I didn't take it out in the beginning because I didn't think about recording it, but that's what I'm doing right now. And take out the AC condenser bracket on the top one, both sides. So as soon as you do that, unplug all the plug, okay, all this plug here and that plug, and just yank it, the radiator support, out of the way. Okay, like that. You don't have to take them out, you just leave it like that. That's it should be okay, because right now just disconnect the bottom one and then disconnect the top one right here, and take the fan and the radiator out at the same time. That much easier. And the safety side is to disconnect the battery first, because in case you touch it like that, then you can get some spark right here and breaking some fuses or breaking some other stuff. So you don't want to do that. You can take the ground side or positive side right here. Just be careful if you touch the positive side to make sure you don't touch it with ground, otherwise it will blow. Okay, alright, let me take out the radiator support out of the way. For the drain in the bottom, just disconnect, unplug this plug right here, so you can have your hand into it and losing the drain. If you can do it without doing that, you just stick your hand from the bottom on this side. You should be able to do it, but the best way is just open this and to do that. And also the plug on the top too. So that's why you need to take out those push pin right here out. Okay. The best way is to detach the one right here. That. Twist it. Unplug like that. And now it's ready to take the radiator out. So just pull the whole radiator with the fan, everything. Okay, take the whole assembly out like this. It's easy. Okay, you don't have to disconnect the fan and all that stuff. You take them out outside here. It's a lot easier. So it's matching pretty good. What you have to do is take out this fan and put it to the new one. And the sensor number 17, can use a socket or open wrench. Prefer the socket, it's better. Okay. Put on the new one. And don't forget to use this clip to clip on the bottom one. The new one does not supply any of this. Drop this in. See how easy it is? Without the reservoir is very easy. Push in. So make sure it's a sit in the radiator, the little holder for the radiator. Okay. If it fits, then it doesn't moving. Okay. And then plug the sensor in the bottom. Okay. And the bottom is done. So put the reservoir in. Make sure it's slide into the reservoir on the bottom. Okay. So as soon as it slides in, you just lock it in with the bolt. Done. So just put the radiator support back in. Put the radiator hole first. Now plug it in the radiator support. Plus plug the hole back in there. Hole sensor. Now if you do in this way, it shouldn't take longer than 1 hour. Okay. Very simple. If you do taking out the radiator support out, not completely, but just yanking the side. Now before cover this, make sure to fill up the water first, you know, and then bleed it. Then you can close the plastic cover. All right. Thank you for watching. Something like this. If you look at it the way they cover it, it's very hard. But if you're taking out one couple bolts on the top and lift the whole radiator out, it's very simple. Okay. Now, thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye now.